Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, rear view camera, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 IS. The IS is the compact luxury sedan offered by Lexus under Toyota. The IS fits the bill for sports-minded drivers looking for luxury in a compact design. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.